Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and coming up with an amazing video that is 15 Eclipse shortcuts you should know being a Java developer. Okay, so while developing project, we need these shortcuts to accelerate our development. Okay, so in this video you're gonna see that. And before proceeding to the today's video, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it immediately and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my side, right? So this is my channel. If you'll see here, a lot of videos are there. Spring Boot microservices, throws, finally finalize, AEM and JSON complete series, IntelliJ idea with Git entire series, crowd applications, and lot of other videos like Kafka, Java features, and lot of logical questions as well. Okay, so if you are really interested, you can explore those videos as well, and definitely it will be helpful to you people. Okay, so let's jump into today's topic. Don't miss up to last. You will get a complete picture, right? Definitely it will gonna help you in your project. Okay, so this is that I have documented in a text file. First let's discuss type hierarchy. Okay, so for example, in your project you have one interface and multiple implementation class of that interfaces are there. For example, if you see here, bank is a interface, and here I have SBI is an implementation. So how do you check from this interface what are the different implementations are there? Pretty simple. What is that shortcut? Control T. Just select this interface and do Control T. Then it will show you all those implementation class of that interface. If it's a class, then all those extended classes. Okay, so let me create one more here, one more class. Let's have this one as a SDFC, and I have implemented from bank. Bank is the interface I have developed. Okay, so in that bank I do have two methods, right? Balance check and deposit, and in SDFC also balance check and deposit also it's got operated in. Okay, now let's go to bank and let's check again what are the implementation classes. Do first select this bank and do Control plus T. Just see those implementation classes are coming, right? So this is very useful while you are developing uh, projects, right? So you want to check what are the implementation class of a interface. Okay, hope you got it. Control T. uh, okay, moving to next. Suppose if you want to check what are the different methods present in a class. So this is the SBI class, and what are the methods are present here in this class, right? So currently we are able to see here two methods are there, but for example, let's suppose here 10 to 12 methods are there in this class. So how you want to see all those methods? Simply Control O, and here if you'll see here those methods are present, right? Balance check, deposit, like this it will show here, right? So hope you got it. Next, moving to next one, method call hierarchy. Okay, so for example, this balance check or deposit or balance check, from where this method is called. If you want to know from where this method is called, simple do what is that shortcut? Control Alt H. Just select this method and do Control Alt H. Just see this balance check method is called from main method, right? Let's go to here and you'll be able to see b dot balance check, right? So from where that method is called we can able to see. Moving to next one, Control Shift T for finding class even from jar. Okay, suppose you if you want to check a file, so not check a file, if you want to check a class that is present in your project, you don't know where it's present, but you just know that class, you want to check that one. How will do this one? Control Shift and T. Control Shift and T. Right? Any class you can have. For example, let's have a exception. Except is searching. Just see from the JRE this exception class is showing. Right? Any class you can search and you can check. Right? Control Shift T in your project, or even in the jar also you can identify that class. Okay, hope you got it. If you want to search a class, do Control Shift T and search that class name. Okay, moving to next one, Control Shift R. This is very important, this, right? So if you want to find a resource, a file, including XML file, whether it's a properties file, whatnot. Okay, if you want to search a file, just do Control Shift R, Control Shift R, and search that file name. For example, application dot properties. So here it will show all those application dot properties where it's present, right? If you want to search a resource, then you can search like this, Control Shift R. Moving into next one, Control Shift O. This is very important. If you want to organize your imports, right, import statements, then you can do Control Shift O. It will on the fly, it will import your what we can say, import your classes from that jars, right? So moving to next one, Control plus this is /1. So if you want to comment a line, right, if you want to comment a line, what is that? For commenting or uncommenting lines and blocks, right? For example, if you want to comment these two lines, how will do? Control and this /1, Control and this /1 to comment. So this is a single line comments, right? But if you want to multi-line comment, instead of that one, you can do Control Shift and this /1. So here this is a multi-line comment. Do Control Z, and if you want to revert again, you can do as well. Control Shift this one and Control Shift backslash. So Control Z, Control S. Sorry. Hope you got this one. So for commenting purpose, we can use these two shortcuts. Okay, Control Shift F. This is also pretty good shortcut if your code is unformatted like this. Okay, so how you want to format this one? Just select that file, select those content, Control A, do Control Shift F, Control Shift F. Okay, it's not taking this one, my bad. Ideally, if you have a space or some kind of thing, it will, or alignment, it will take. Control Shift F. Just see, it's taking those, removing those spaces and adding as a formatted one. Control Shift F. Okay, so to format those code, you can use Control Shift F. Okay, moving to next one, Control E or F. Control F. It will use for find and replace. If you want to find some word keyword and you want to replace like this, you can find and you can replace as well. Just see it selecting, and if you want, you can replace. Moving to next one, Control E. This is also a very popular shortcut. Suppose if you want to see all those open tabs, just see book service, here lot of tabs are open, right? and some hidden 11 tabs also are opened here, 11, right? If you want to see those things, just simple do Control E, and you can choose those files. If you want to navigate those files, you can do like this Control E and just see whatever the file you want to open. Okay, moving to next one. Control Shift G, which searches the workspace for reference to the selected method and variable, right? This is also very important. Most of the time you will use this one. For example, one variable is there, and where exactly these variables are used in your project, across your project. If you want to search that one, simple search whether it's a variable or method. Suppose check balance, Control Shift G, right? So it will show all all the places wherever it's used, whether it's a variable or method. Control Shift G. For example, check balance we are using here. Okay, whether it's a method or variable, that reference wherever you are using, you can search like this, Control Shift G. This is a very important one. Then moving to next one, Alt plus left arrow or right arrow, right? So this is also important to navigate different files while you are editing, right? For example, currently we are in the test, then we are moving to back controller, book controller, then Aadhaar card, to some two random files, right? Then test. Let's move to back. What is that? Control plus back arrow, Control plus back arrow, just see. Sorry, not control, it's a alt, my bad. It's a alt back arrow, just see. We have, it's backward, it's taking Aadhaar card, then where it will take book control, alt back arrow, just see book control. What are the files recently you have visited, it will move in the backward sequence. Now let's move to forward. From backward, from book control to, it will go to alt forward, alt right arrow, move to, currently it will move to Aadhaar card. If you'll again do alt right arrow, it will move to test. Okay, so if you want to move those files currently you are editing in the sequence, it will go either it's a forward or backward. For forward, alt right arrow. For backward, alt left arrow. Okay, hope you got it. Then alt shift J to add javadoc in your source file. Okay, uh, alt shift J, just see the javadoc is coming in the class level. Method level I am not sure, let's try alt shift J. No, method level it's not coming. Alt shift J, it's a class level one, Control Z. So alt shift J, at class level you will get Java documentation, right? This is also sometimes useful if you are developing a class freshly in your project. Control D to delete a line. Suppose if you want to delete line number 19, just anywhere do Control D, it will delete that line, and next to Control Shift F to format that source code, right? So Control D is used to delete a line, right? So hope you got a crystal clear picture about how to, what are the different kind of shortcuts we can use in our Eclipse, right? And one more thing, that a sad reality, that if you'll see this analytics over here, uh, people are watching these videos but not yet subscribed. So about 96.8, I mean 97% people watching these videos but not yet subscribed. Only hardly barely 3.2% are my subscribers. Okay, so if you have not subscribed yet, I urge you people do subscribe this channel, and definitely it will help you to improve your coding skills, and a lot of things you'll get to know, right? So again, you can have your valuable comments in that comment section, and if you want to if you want any other videos or any other concept, let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to upload those videos as well, right? So uh, thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.